Meaning of draftswoman.
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 Draftswoman. A draftswoman, also known as a draftswoman, is a female professional who creates technical drawings and plans using specialized software or by hand. She is skilled in using tools such as rulers, compasses, and protractors to create accurate and detailed designs that can be used in industries such as architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. Draftswomen may work independently or as part of a team, collaborating with other professionals to produce high-quality designs that meet specific requirements and deadlines. Overall, a draftswoman plays a critical role in the technical design process, bringing ideas to life through precise and meticulous drawings.